Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. Today, we're diving into a super useful word, ahead. If you're a B1 level English learner, this word is perfect to expand your vocabulary. Ahead is an adverb that means in front or in advance of something. It's a word you'll hear often in everyday conversations, so let's break it down together. First, let's understand how we use ahead. Imagine you're walking with a friend, and one of you is moving faster. You might say, "You're walking ahead of me." It can also mean to think or plan in advance, like, "I like to plan my schedule ahead for the week." Pretty handy, right? Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like forward, in front, and beforehand can be used similarly. For example, instead of saying, "The car is ahead of the bus," you could say, "The car is in front of the bus." Or, instead of "plan your tasks ahead," you could say, "plan your tasks beforehand." These words share similar meanings but can fit slightly different situations, so it's good to practice them all. On the other hand, antonyms of ahead include words like behind, backward, and afterwards. For example, if someone says, "You're walking ahead of me," the opposite would be, "You're walking behind me." If someone plans in advance, they're thinking ahead, but if they delay, they might be thinking afterwards. How can you use ahead in daily life? Let's look at some common scenarios. If you're giving directions, you might say, "Go straight ahead and you'll see the park." In a meeting, someone might suggest, "Let's move ahead with the plan." When talking about the future, you might hear, "We have a bright year ahead of us." These examples show how flexible the word ahead can be. Here are a few more sentences to cement the word in your memory. The finish line is just ahead, keep running. We're thinking ahead and preparing for next month's project. She looked ahead and noticed a beautiful view of the mountains. To wrap things up, today we explored the word ahead, its definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and everyday uses. It's such a practical word that can help you sound more natural in English. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It helps others find the show and keeps us going strong. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using ahead and share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and learning.